Khilafat movement, how did it become a part of the national movement? It was a movement organized by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali brothers. So Khilafat movement was started by two brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. These two brothers, they started the Khilafat movement. The aim of this movement was to protest against the injustice done to Turkey by Britain after the First World War. This movement, Khilafat movement, was started by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali because it was believed that after the defeat in the First World War, the Allied countries, that is Britain, France, they were doing injustice to the countries which have gone through a defeat. In that Turkey was also a country. यानी कि जो देश जिन्होंने फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में हिस्सा लिया था और जिन देशों की उसमें हार हुई थी, उनसे जो है वो एक प्रकार से बदला लिया जाता था। उन देशों में टर्की भी एक देश था। The Turkish Sultan had the title of Khalifa. The Muslims considered him as their spiritual head. तो उस समय जो है टर्की का जो रूलर था, he was known as Khalifa, and the Muslims all over the world regarded him as the leader, spiritual leader. वहाँ का जो टर्की का जो सुल्तान था, खलीफा, वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो मुस्लिम्स थे उनका जो है सबसे बड़ा रिलीजियस लीडर थे। So the two brothers, they started a movement, Khilafat movement. Gandhiji saw this as an opportunity to bring Muslims under the umbrella of a unified national movement. Gandhiji thought that this is a very good opportunity when we can bring Muslims with us. Means he wanted Hindu-Muslim unity. गांधी जी ये चाहते थे कि जो खिलाफत मूवमेंट है वो सिर्फ मुस्लिमों का ही मूवमेंट नहीं रहे, बल्कि उसको एक नेशनल मूवमेंट माना जाए, बनाया जाए, ताकि इससे जो है हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी आए। सो ही वांटेड टू bring Muslims under one umbrella. At the Calcutta session of the Congress in September 1920, he convinced other leaders of the League to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj. So many Muslims joined this movement. So Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in support of the Khilafat movement. गांधीजी ने जो है वो दूसरे कांग्रेस के लीडर्स को अपने साथ लेकर उन्हें तैयार करके खिलाफत मूवमेंट के साथ जो है वो खिलाफत मूवमेंट के सपोर्ट में नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया, एंड मैनी पीपल इंक्लूडिंग मुस्लिम्स आल्सो जॉइंड द मूवमेंट। What were the ideas expressed by Gandhiji in his book? In his book, famous book Hind Swaraj 1909, Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians. Mahatma Gandhi believed that the Britishers were successful in establishing their rule in India because of the cooperation of the Indians. कि Indians जो है, the Indians are cooperating with the Britishers, and that's why they are successfully running their government in India. And if we do not cooperate with the Britishers, then the British government will collapse within a year. अगर हम ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, कॉपरेट नहीं करेंगे, तो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट जो है वो अपने आप गिर जाएगी। एंड दैट्स व्हाई गांधी जी नेम द मूवमेंट एज नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट। इसीलिए गांधी जी ने जो बड़ा आंदोलन चलाया उसको उन्होंने जो है नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट नाम दिया। नॉन कॉपरेशन मीन्स वी शुड नॉट कॉपरेट विद द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, एंड इफ वी विल नॉट कॉपरेट विद द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, then the government will collapse within a year. He wrote this thing in his book Hind Swaraj. Now there are three stages of non-cooperation movement. According to Gandhiji, the non-cooperation movement will be unfolded in three stages. Non-cooperation movement जो है वो तीन stages में चलेगा। First stage, renunciation of titles. Subramaniam Iyer and Rabindranath Tagore renounced the honorary titles that they received from the British. Gandhiji returned his cafe and medal. तो जो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो था, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट की जो है देयर वर थ्री स्टेजेस, तीन स्टेजेस थी। पहली स्टेज ये थी कि जो टाइटल्स जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने जो टाइटल्स दिए हैं लोगों को, लोग अपने उन टाइटल्स को लौटा देंगे। मीन्स जो अवार्ड्स टाइटल्स जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने लोगों को दिए हैं वो वापस ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को लौटा दिए जाएंगे। इसलिए जो है सुब्रमण्यम अय्यर और रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने उनको जो टाइटल मिला था सर, वो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को लौटा दिया। इन द सेम वे गांधी रिटर्न हिज टाइटल कैसरी हिम। Second stage, resigning of important jobs. Those people, those who are doing government jobs, ऐसे लोग जो सरकारी नौकरियां कर रहे हैं, जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट की नौकरी कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी नौकरी से जॉब से इस्तीफा दे देंगे and they will discontinue from the job. And those students, those who are studying in government controlled schools and colleges, they will also left the schools and colleges. The teachers will stop teaching. The lawyers will stop practicing in the British courts. So this was the second stage of non-cooperation movement. Resigning of important jobs, many officers resigned their jobs. Boycott of legislatures, many people refused to cast vote when the elections to the legislatures were held. इसके अलावा जो है जो लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल के इलेक्शंस होते थे उसका भी बॉयकॉट करने का फैसला किया गया। थर्ड स्टेज, गांधीजी believed that if the British government do too much repression, गांधी जी का मानना था कि अगर ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इस आंदोलन को नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को अगर जबरदस्ती दबाने की कोशिश करती है, then a full civil disobedience movement will be launched. This was the third stage of the non cooperation movement. In case government do repression, a full civil disobedience movement will be launched. एक और बहुत बड़ा आंदोलन जो है वो चलाया जाएगा। What were the effects of the non-cooperation movement on the economic front? Non-cooperation movement के क्या असर पड़ा? तो the effects of non-cooperation on the economic front were more dramatic. Foreign goods were boycotted, empires were picketed, and foreign laws burnt in huge bonfires. जो माल आता था foreign countries, especially from Britain, so people started boycotting the things which were coming from Britain. And also liquor shops were picketed. Liquor shops यानी शराब की जो दुकानें थी उनको बंद कराया गया, उनको तोड़फोड़ की गई। And foreign cloth burned in huge bonfires. जो इंग्लैंड से जो मिलमेट कपड़ा आता था उसको जो है उसकी गोली जलाई गई, उसका बॉयकॉट किया गया। The import of foreign cloth halved between 1921 and 1922. इससे ये हुआ कि ब्रिटेन से जो कपड़ा आ रहा था उसकी जो है वैल्यू आधी रह गई थी। From 102 crore to 57 crore. It came down to from 102 crore to just 57 crores. In many places, merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods. बहुत सारी जगहों पर जो है बिजनेसमैन ट्रेडर्स जो थे उन्होंने फॉरेन गुड्स में जो है वो काम करने से उसको ट्रेड करने से मना कर दिया। As the boycott movement spread and people began discarding imported cloths and wearing only Indian ones, production of Indian textile mills and handlooms went up. So when people started boycotting the foreign goods, the goods which were made in India, their demand rose. उनकी जो है डिमांड बढ़ती जा रही थी। तो चीजें जो है the goods which were made in India, now the demand was rising. Differing strands within the non-cooperation movement. Movement in towns and cities. Now we are doing that. What was the effect of the non-cooperation movement in the cities? कि non-cooperation movement का cities पर क्या असर रहा? Educated middle class led the movement in towns and cities. Education institutions, law courts and the council elections were boycotted. जो institutions which were under the control of the British government, those institutions were boycotted. Foreign clothes and other goods were burned in bonfires. People began to use khadi. The people started boycotting the goods which were coming from England, Britain, and people started using the things which were made in India. like khadi cloths.